What's up, Grassroots? I received my package, damaged, naturally. That's how it's done. Let's open this thing up. All right. Super Ford, 1995 mini truck. I'm not even sure what year, 2003, 5-liter Mustang. These are amazing. The Harbor Freight ad. Don't dump the dog. Outrageous stories and simple solutions to your worst dog behavior problems. Free flashlight. SCCA stickers. I'm racing naturally. Uh-oh. I see Fiat carburetors in there. We got, we have stickers. Maximum Motorsports Classic Apple. Nice. Hypercoils, long acres. A whole stack of zip discs. My God. I probably still have a zip drive reader. Some more stickers. 2 sporks. Spork stickers. All right. Here is the remains of a bulb. Remains of a black light. I see a clutch tool. But first, a t-shirt that says Bears, 30 years of winning. Pittsburgh Bears. Beast? I don't even know what this is. Pittsburgh Beast. Okay, now on to some serious Fiat loot. This is a Fiat Weber carb. It's a DC, what do they call this thing? DHTA. Yeah, so that is for a Fiat that I even own. And a clutch alignment tool for a Fiat that I own. I don't have one of these. I can actually use that. Wow. All right, we got some beads. Ooh, a dream catcher and a Casio watch. These are for my daughter, right over there. There she is. It's for you. And these are Fiat shims. These are lots of Fiat shims. This is like gold. Wow. And Fiat rear brake calipers to fix the rear brake calipers that are dragging on my Fiat. This is amazing. Okay, Secret Santa, you're my new hero. Thank you.